All right, today we begin the first recap of October. Today's October 2nd, Monday. Today's official profit is $30, as we see here and we see here. Our total account value stands at 1,900, so we are 5% negative from our day one challenge. And why are we 5% negative? Well, for a couple of mistakes that I will make a video on that tomorrow. But regardless, every day we get better. Even when we take a couple back steps, here we are to learn and get better. Today was actually a good day considering that I only had $400 in buying power, meaning I only had $400 to put money in places to make money. And I woke up at 9:30. When I woke up at 9:30, I'm not gonna stream. Didn't even take a shower. Haven't eaten breakfast. Should have woken up earlier. But so I was looking through my scanners, and I don't see anything I like until I saw MMTS. Now let's make this a little bigger so everybody can see what I'm looking at. MMTS is Momentus Inc. I'm pretty sure this is part of the healthcare sector. This is the healthcare sector, that's correct. It had around 13 million float, 15 million float, give or take. So, and on top of that, it was within the $3 range. It didn't have direct news. Didn't have a direct news catalyst. Oh no, it does. It did have a direct news catalyst. So it did have a direct news catalyst. And it had a direct news catalyst. It was looking nice. We had a strong move upward. So by the time I saw a stock, I was around here. But I saw a 5-minute pattern. I saw all these green candles. I'm thinking to myself, well, the only way I'm going to enter this is through a 5-minute pullback, which is what I've been practicing since day one of the small account challenge. So we're going to remove this here. And seeing this 5-minute chart right here, I waited for the stock to draw back and give me a new 5-minute high, which was here. So if this is our resistance or the highest point that it came down before backtracking, at first I had it here, but it broke that, came up, and then it came back down. So right now we're here. As we see, condenses, and as I was trading, I drew a line right here. This is the break of the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. Yes, I know, even though it's quick, it's usually supposed to be fleshed out more. So my entry was actually here on the 5-minute. On the 1-minute, however, I believe it was more around here. On the 1-minute chart on the left hand here, I entered here and then it came red down, came down, and I stopped out around here because I thought I was gonna reject that the resistance level was gonna reject it and send us back down. So I stopped out, but then it came right back up, closed here, and broke through, and at that point confirmed my 5-minute pattern identification. So that's why when I pull up my orders here, I have 12 orders. I had 2 orders here which I sold because I got stopped out. I bought at 10.13, sold at the same minute at 10.13, just to buy in 20 seconds later, because I bought in right here for the 5-minute high. Short rejection, stopped out, but kept going back in. So I'm thinking to myself, okay, if this 1-minute candle closes, it closed, or it was about to close, I started adding in here for the expectation of that 5-minute ABCD pattern, that 5-minute pullback to take us up, and it did. And I sold my position at 3.5 at the $0.50. I sold at different points as I was going up. As we see here, I had a total of 100 shares. I sold them each, one at 3.57, 3.63, and the other one at 3.53. 10.19 and the other 2 at 10.20. So 10.19 would be around here. Why did I sell there? Well, 3.5 is my sell area, my target range. I also had it at 4, as we see a yellow line. However, I hanged around here just to see if this would kind of hang out. Then I see this little 1-minute bull flag pattern right here. I see a really cool 1-minute bull flag pattern right here. strong move up, consolidation to the side, then a strong move up again. So I see this forming, so I decided to hold, and then I sell up on the way. At 10.19 I sell some, and then at 10.20 I sold just because I thought, well, we're already above 3.5. Let me just get my profit and get out. And that's what I did. So, recap of today, wait for the 5-minute setup. Wait for the 5-minute setup. Make sure it's a good stock. We made sure it was a good stock. We waited for the 5-minute setup to present itself for the 5-minute, for the first candle to make a 5-minute, for the first 5-minute candle to make a new high, as indicated right here with this arrow. We entered using the 1-minute chart, and we sold at the $half resistance area of 3.5. Of course, it went higher than 3.5, but give or take, this is the resistance area. So we had a good day, and if we could replicate these results, we could have a good semester. The only trick really is now just understanding that I have patience is key. And yeah, patience is key. Just gotta wait for the right moment, attack it, and every time I wait for the right moment and I attack it, I come out on top, even when I stop out, because I have it planned out. The risk reward ratio is there. When I try to trade everything else, it flops. So I'm gonna first master this strategy of 5-minute pullback that consists of the ABCD pattern, the bull flag, ascending pattern, ascending flags, all that pullback strategies. That's what I'm gonna call it. Yeah, that's how I got my $30 profit day. So thank you all for watching. See you tomorrow.